Hello folks, Indian Scout. I want to show you how to take care of the airbox that will allow you to change the spark plugs, because in this bike, to change the spark plugs, the front cylinder, you must to take out the airbox. It's not really simple quick procedure, but it's doable. Okay guys, so what do you need? I already loosened up the bolts, 15 millimeter and 30 millimeter, as well 15 millimeter 1 and 2 bolts in the back. I loosened up already because they were pretty tight. Okay, so what you need to do is take off this front section, which one you can just turn a little bit here. There's a zip tie, you can leave just hanging here. The other side don't necessary to take it off, and then you need a screwdriver. Take it off those bolts. They go side by side. You loosen up your clamp. It will be a little hard. Let's help yourself a little bit gently to unhook up. There you go. To pull it out from the intakes. Can say is not it's a job. There you go. You need to slide out. Okay, unplug the engine breathers. This is the airbox out, and then from here you can go and reach your spark plug. Well, when you change your spark plug, the suggestion is to put it back the airbox, to use some W40 or some spray to help you to help the headbox to slide in, since it will be a little tricky. It will help you. Yes, it is a little tricky, guys. Well, as you can see, it's not that easy, so the suggestion is, once you unplug all the screws with the lifter under the engine, you can lift it up and you can see the frame moving from the engine a little bit, which one it will allow you to have a little more room a little more room. Here we go. To slide inside. When you put it back, be sure the gasket is still nicely on the throttle body. Okay, you can easily see from the top. Just move it and push it down. There we go. Once you assemble it, you can go. Let me show you better. You can go back down with the frame and knob. Okay, we have the right position. Tighten down your clamp. And at this point, you connect your engine breathers. Don't forget about those, otherwise you have noises. The engine breathers, 1 and 2. At this point, you can go back with the frame. Okay, for your bolts, center the frame if needed. Little too high. Okay, I'm back. Once you center your frame, you want to screw back. And then you're done, guys. Hope it can help you, and see you. Take care, guys.